Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, this is the result of the task for making Kurban app, and uh, this is the UI of our application, our website, and uh, this is the dashboard. So, dashboard just this thing, and the features. First is Mudohi. Because this application already we already gave this application to the DKM, so maybe I can't add the data because maybe this is already the finish. I don't know. Maybe this is the finish the data from that mask. So I don't want to I not I don't want, but I can't add the data. But uh as the task as as we need to connect with WhatsApp, so we use Fonte. And then there is uh we can choose which kind of kurban that we want uh to follow. Like here is for the cow, for the bear. So it's already integrated with WhatsApp. When we fill the number of the number WhatsApp number, the notification will send to that number, and email just for optional in case he don't have WhatsApp number maybe. And then this is for grouping, for who want to be in a group, and this is for self kurban co, and I don't remember. Goat, yeah, goat. And this is for the description of that animal. Like if we choose cow, this is the option which animal, which cow we want to kurban. And here for goat. And then this is for mudohi, and all of this already run. And this is for the certificate for who came as mudohi. And then here for management the animals, so we have eight animals, and this is the total of all of the all of the uh all of the animals. And then here for the update about the animals, like no the cow still waiting for for being slaughtered. And then when the cow is already get gets slaughtered, then we can uh click this button, and then she will be like this, and then yeah, just like that. After that, this, and then this, and then this, and then we can add the animals. After that, this is for the mustahik. So mustahik can scan their coupon, and the coupon they will get when they registered as mustahik. Like this, the name of mustahik, number was up, and then his asnaf, and then which session she will take the meat. After that, if we register them, and then if he has a WhatsApp, the coupon will send to his WhatsApp. But if he doesn't have the WhatsApp, they can like this. They can print or download the picture like this, or like this. Yeah. Eh, wait. It's really like this. And then after that, when they want to they want to claim their coupon, uh, they can uh, use the scanner. So there is no mustahik who will get double, because it's already verified by the scanner. And then this is the uh, report of money, financial reports, and they can uh, save as a PDF like this, and then they can save as Excel. Nice. it's really late. And if you want, this one. Like this. This is for the Excel. And if you want to input another financial report, we can use this like this, like general things. And here for the management, the staff. Here their absence, and then here the ID card, their ID card, and then here their login, their email for login. They can print and download too, like. And here, how can I say it? So, the email will make auto when they registered the new staff. So here already 6, right? It's already panitia 6. If we add another staff, then the staff will get the panitia 7 at korban.id. So it's auto generate. This for the notification WhatsApp, just for in case we want to off the WhatsApp. And this is the default message for the WhatsApp. And here for pengaturan sistem, this for settings, system settings, just like this. And the dashboard is real time, yeah. The dashboard is real time. And that's all for the Korban app. Thank you. Korban app. Thank you. So this is when we gave our app to the DKM, and because we're kind of late, but honestly, it's just after it we just give them, so it's kind of late because the Korban need to start quickly, so the DKM can use it kindly, but they say inshallah they will use it for the next year. And we already recognize them how to use our application. So but they already try some data, to input some data, and it works, alhamdulillah. And that's all for our task Korban application. Inshallah they will use it, they say they will use it for the next year. The task is kind of late because we know it Tuesday and Korban is Wednesday. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.